Mic check. Yan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi po. It's a very beautiful Wednesday evening, right? Wednesday evening. Hopefully kasi ang ganda ng Philippine Stock Exchange Index ang ang Wednesday evening nyo. Pati ang port ninyo, hindi lang yung araw, pati yung portfolio ninyo. Update tayo with the market. PSEi. Let me share my screen really quick. PSEi closed 7297, almost reaching 7,300 levels already. That's very good for the market. At the very least, ayan, pupunta na tayo sa major resistance natin. The highest we reached before was around 7437 before the market went tumbling back at nag-double bottom and then umakyat na naman ulit. So overall, the market is still going sideways, right, in the mid to long term. So I think this is gonna be continuing itong sideways movement na ito because of the election that's gonna be coming. Pero at the very least, maganda yung mga positions ninyo. Hopefully, kumikita na kayo. Ang dami na nagpo-post, nakikita ko, ang dami nagpo-post na nagpapakita na ng mga port nila and that they're already doing well. Hopefully, you're doing good also. PHA, kanina, boom, bada boom. Alright, we already have circles right here. Those were very good signals already for PHA. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay PHA. There was a divergence right here, another divergence on this bounce right here. Sana nakuhuli nyo yun. Congratulations. Ang dami pa mga assets na nagliliparan dyan. Congratulations sa mga pumasok na. And yan, not only Philippine Stock Exchange is maganda, pero we'll talk more about the good investments later on. Right? Little request from my end, please share this video. Paki-share po ito to your relatives, your friends, to your trading groups if you have any trading groups. I'm asking for a favor. Hopefully I've earned this one from you guys. Help me and help StocksEd in our goal to reach more Filipinos who started in the stock market na nangangailangan ng gabay. This is free guidance for them. Let's let them know that there's a program like this. So please share this to them. If meron kayong mga trading groups dyan, please share this there, right? Malaking tulong po yan, hindi lang for us, right? Malaking tulong sa goal namin, but technically for the Filipinos who starts in the stock market, magabayan natin sila, huwag sila mag-quit, right? If more Filipinos go into the stock market, maraming perang papasok, it is gonna trickle down to us. So please share this. Thank you so much for sharing. And let me go to the comments really quick. Ayan, lang ha. Good music muna tayo. One moment. Alright, so let me go to the comments really quick. Yan, Ichi Marimat, magandang gabi. Earl John Ginto, good evening. Thanks for the like. We already have 5 shares, right? Hopefully we can have more shares. Please help us in our goal. Maraming salamat po. Al Kisto, good evening. Sarah J. Detal, good evening po. Neil Valdez, nice to watch Daily Grind again. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Neil Valdez, kamusta? Welcome back. Leo Morota, good evening. Allen Gallardo, Sir, ano po sa inyo sa kaso ni Dennis Uy? Asan na yun? How will it affect dito? Meron bang case si Dennis Uy ngayon? Honestly, I'm not sure about this. Dennis Uy case. I'm googling it right now. Dennis Uy slapped. Yung Malampaya shares to Udena. Not really sure about it. I don't think it is going to affect dito kasi it's an entirely different, what do you call this, company. Pero dito CME Holdings, ang alam ko kasi nasa C yung nila. Tsaka ibang yung gas na I'm not really sure about this. I'm gonna be asking my friend who focuses on this more, right? So I'll check this one out. Thank you so much. All right, Rian. All right, Bendia, thank you so much for tagging your friends. Rojin Manansala. All right, a good friend of mine. Osiris, magandang gabi. Thanks for watching, man. Leo Deseo Morota, good evening. Leo, right? APL po, pa-review. Let's go charting saglit. Right? If you have any requests, post it in the comment. Again, sa mga bago dyan, welcome to the Daily Grind. We talk about making money in general. We are more focused on stock market. Dito karamihan nagsasimula ang mga aggressive investment ng mga Pinoy. But not just here, right? We talk about Forex also. Me myself, I'm more focused on Forex right now and NFTs. We're talking about NFTs, crypto, whatever opportunities out there, anong bago, pag-uusapan natin yan. But right now, everyday po ang opportunities, stock market and forex. So that's where majorly our topic goes around, right? Osiris, once again, welcome, man. Congratulations kay Jepoy Gagarin. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Thank you so much for always there for us. 15.5% na po ang portfolio ko sa eToro, sir. Jepoy TV. Amazing, man. 15.5% and you're trading it yourself. Congratulations. PHA, there was a request kay PHA. Was that APL? Yeah, APL from Leo. Alright, tingnan natin si APL, Apollo, Global Capital Ventures. Support is right here, divergence right there. I would say trade this one, man. Right? This is on a sideways trend. We are on the support. The support is being respected. That's a buy right there. And sell area natin is dito. Right? That's a good trade right there. Just in case mali tayo, stop loss. What I love about this trade is hindi natin hulaan na akit na yan. Right? There's a strong chance. We're banking on that. But what I love about this is that nasa support levels tayo and we know that we have to cut loss below support levels. That means our risk for this trade is very low. Yun yung risk portion natin. And then our reward is much bigger than what we're gonna be risking. And that's a good trade right there. Good find on APL with the bounce today. This is from Leo. Laura, good evening. Laura Napa, Green po. Neil Valdez, tingnan natin si Green. Nga pala, good news po sa mga nakipag-partner sa atin sa Axie, right? Your investments are already starting to show up. We have mga bago ng mga scholars because of the new partners that entered. Just in case you want to diversify into NFTs, and especially kay Axie, which is ang SLP ngayon as nasa baba, right? Which is a very good start. If you don't want the headache, hit me up, send me a message at Financial Freedom 101. Bigay ko sa inyo yung proposal ko on the partnership para makita nyo naman, at least diversified kayo and you're taking advantage of it. We are already at 100k pesos in just 1 week. More than 1 week, yung total natin investment dito was around 800,000 and we're able to get this already in just 1 week. Almost 2 weeks, diba? Almost 2 weeks na. So, yeah, we're chipping into to our investment very fast. So, mabilis mag-ROI if ever kayo maglalaro, diba? This is considering na kung ako yung maglalaro sa 800,000, I'm already at 100,000. Pero hatiin pa yan sa mga scholars and sa mga sa expenses, etc. And then, yon, mas matagal yung ganun. But this is already passive income for you guys if you wanna diversify and if you're looking for passive income. Ito isa sa mga hottest na passive income right now. You can't really say for the long term, pero for now, it is doing well. It has been doing well since the start of pandemic. Even until now, it's still very hot, right? Yung passive income potential ng Axie ngayon is that, what do you call this? If ever you are a manager, tas sakto lang yung hatian, and yung arrangement ko is you're gonna be receiving with the current SLP prices, it's around 3,000 to 4,000 pesos a month. That's around 5 to 8% of the initial investment. So monthly, with the current SLP prices, 5 to 8% is already very good. You know me, we've talked about investments before. Kung bibili kayo ng condominium at parenta nyo 15,000 pesos monthly, yung annual returns na dyan is right around 5 to 6% lang, right? But here in Axie, because it's very hot right now and it's been doing well at maganda pa rin yung future niya, 5% is already possible here in just 1 month. So hit me up in Financial Freedom 101 if you wanna partner up. What's good is hindi lang si Axie, yung bot trading natin. This is automated trading. I've been very transparent with you guys ever since this one started. This account started January 18, 2021. Fast forward 10 months, nasa 218% na po tayo. And mind you, this is bot trading. This is automated trading. After we set this up, yung bot na ang nagtatrade nito, and it's giving me 200% in 10 months. That's crazy numbers right there. So if you want to look for good passive income also, if you don't wanna really go dive into NFTs, check out Izanagi, yung isa sa bot natin na high risk, high reward na bot. This 218% is not possible if you are not Look at this right here. This is the drawdown. This means that this is the lowest the portfolio has gone down at a certain point in time in that 10 months ko. Right? 42%. Meaning, if ever naglagay ka ng 100,000, your money dropped 42,000 pesos. You had a potential of 42,000 pesos. But with that drawdown, this is the reward. This is around 1:5 already. 1:5 risk to reward ratio, which is sobrang ganda. Malaki lang ang drawdown niya, right? If you can afford this kind of risk for the bot, then it's gonna be good for you. Pero pwede nyo naman i-adjust yung risk. Pwede nyo at 25% lang. This one is set at 50%. This number is not possible if not of the drawdown settings. Okay, more about Izanagi in just a video description. Please watch that video. And yung link and registration is also there. I guess it was complaint filed by concerned citizens daw. That's for dito. Titingnan ko lang muna yan, alright? Titingnan ko muna yan, yung news na yan. Greener G was the request earlier. Nag-break na tayo ng MA20. So that means na itong downtrend nito most probably is tapos na. And we're going sideways. Pumupula siya ngayon. Let's see saan to pupulutin. Maybe it will create a higher high. That's gonna be your entry point. If not, bodegahin nyo. Sa susunod na green, then buy more on this support right here if bumaba pa siya. Right, so it's time to bodega green. Good find. Lauren Napa, good evening. Green na. Ito yung play request niya. I guess it was complaint. Ayan. Good evening, sir. Pa-check naman po kay Dito and M-Wide. Si Dito. Right, tingnan natin si Dito. Still going red. Sa susunod na green, I will say that's a buy right there. And then, ito yung major support natin, 660. Hopefully makapasok kayo dyan. Pero simulan nyo na pagbodega dyan. Whenever you find greens, that's gonna be your entry point. Sir, SEC and Monday po, thoughts nyo on long term for these two? It's not good for long term as of the moment since nasa taas yung position niya. Do not enter. Wag nyo, hopefully this is not your situation na pumasok kayo sa taas, hinabol ninyo, tapos bumabagsak siya, and since naipit na kayo, you're deciding to go long term. Hopefully it's not the case, okay? I was reading Rojin's comment really quick. Pero tapusin ko lang muna to. SEC right now is not good for long term since it has already hit long term, what do you call this? Long term targets, right? So tapos na yung targets niya, let it drop and then saka nyo sabihin sa akin, simulan niyo sa baba and then maglo-long term ka if it goes further down. That's where you buy more. Rojin, yan, a question ni Rojin, good friend of mine. That's the reason why I want you to share this video para may mga newbies pa na pumasok sa atin. The question is, this is a very good question. I mean, hindi naman question, but it's a statement. Gusto ko matuto mag-trade, not sure where to start lang. The daily grind program is technically for newbies na meron ng alam, right? How you start, just in case merong nanonood sa atin na yun, na tulad ni Rojin na hindi pa, not really, what do you call this? Not really acquainted yet, doesn't know that much, hindi alam saan magsimula about stock market. It's technically like this, right? When you start in the stock market, when you decide to if ever you decide to start, eto, isa sa mga iisipin nyo lang is the funds muna ha. The funds muna. Remember, stock market is high risk, high reward investments. So if ever nagsisimula pa lang kayo, nagsisimula pa lang kayo sa financial journey ninyo, stock market is medyo nasa hulihan dapat. You should go for VULs, you should go for Pag-ibig MP2 program. Those are low risk, low reward investments. Si Pag-ibig MP2 program gives you around last year na pandemic, 6% yung bigay niya. It should be bigger this year. 6% is already very good. Para ka nang may parenta na condominium yan. Right? Doesn't sound that much, but it is low risk, low reward. Why do you have to start in low risk, low reward investments? Is because at this point in time, since nagsisimula pa lang kayo, you have to every peso count, right? You cannot afford to lose a peso as much as possible. So as much as possible, majority of your investments is into the low risk investments, and then yung extra cash nyo lang talaga. Let's say for example, may 13th month pay kayo na extra. Yan, mayroon akong extra 20,000 na you can put that in high risk, high reward investments like this one right here, or yung si Izanagi, nakita nyo naman, right? I recommend you start, Rojin, with Izanagi, the bot trading, this one right here. This one, bakit? This is because this is already tested. It trades on its own, okay? mas maganda na you can take advantage of good growth on your extra funds, and then wag kayong mag-trade sa sarili ninyo, right? Do not trade by yourself. As much as possible sa early stages ninyo sa stock market trading or whatever trading, forex, crypto, etc., dapat nag-aaral pa lang kayo, right? Let's say, for example, sabi ni Sir Lloyd, maganda itong trade nito. Let me see nga, bakit? No, I'll take note. Ito yung sinabi niya, bakit maganda itong trade nito? If I buy here, ganito, ganyan. If it goes up, this is good. Take note of it. And then you try it on your own. Trade ka with practice money. Maraming practice money dyan. As much as possible, at least man lang take advantage ninyo yung market na lesser ang risk, lagay nyo muna sa automated trading. Meron na tayo niyan ngayon, which is you guys are very lucky. Nung simula ako noon, wala yan. But yeah, start with automated trading. Pwede kayo sa low risk, go to etoro.com, yung copy trading into stocks. This is high risk trading pero tested naman to. So at least man lang you're taking advantage of the opportunity that the market gives while learning. Ako noon, nagsimula ako, walang ganito. So I really had to risk my real money to learn. Nangangapa kami sa dilim. We had to get burned to learn. Now, there are automated stuff that you can get into para you can still take advantage of the market, and meron ng mga practice trading softwares. Instagrams, this website right here, Instagrams.com gives you practice trade capabilities para pwede na kayong mag-practice na hindi nasusunog yung pera ninyo, di ba? So that's where I recommend start. So if you ever kung gusto mo ng forex na lang muna, Izanagi, and dyan sa video description yung video and registration pre. Or eToro, you can check out eToro's copy trading so someone can trade for you, right? As much as possible. Huwag kayo magte-trade sa simula, and just start learning lang muna. And then get a broker, put funds there. And if you're ready, you can trade on your own. Pero magsimula kayo sa copy trades, sa ganito mga automated trades lang muna. Right, that's for Rojin. Right, that's for... Hindi lang pa kay Rojin yun, para sa mga nanonood din sa atin ng mga newbies. Right? How sir to join Axie? Petty Navarro Ganaban. Send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. Okay, this is my personal page, itong Financial Freedom 101. Let me post this in the comments para dyan kayo mag-message. Huwag dito sa StocksEd. Kasi dito sa StocksEd is, tawag nito, partnership ko to, right? This is a business partnership with other people. Yung mga personal ventures ko is not really here. So, dito kayo sa Financial Freedom 101. Rojin, go to my Facebook page, Financial Freedom 101. Check this video out. This is very good kung gusto mo matuto talaga sa stock market. Lahat ng kailangan mo matuto as a beginner is in this video. Check it out. Financial Freedom 101, nakapin yan. Petty Ganaban, send me a message. Financial Freedom 101. Jason Ignacio, how much initial investment for bot Izanagi? You can already start with 12,500 pesos. But I recommend, if kaya nyo naman, $500 to $1,000. That's a very good start right there. Carlos, Miguel Villa, watch Kadirio, thank you. Thank you for tagging your friend. Alam mo, Shalan, magandang gabi. Rojin, how much initial ng Izanagi? 12,500. You can already start with that. 12,500. Jericho Labiga, good evening, Sir Lloyd. May inquiry ako sa bot trading kay Izanagi. If you have inquiries sa bot, right, go to this page. Meron akong separate page para sa bot trading. Bot Trading PH. Yan, dito. Right. Everything update sa bot, go to this page right here. Yan. Diyan ko kayo sasagutin kasi may in charge ako dyan sa sasagot para sa bot. Any inquiries about bot, go to this page right here. Hindi lang yan. Meron ako mga public na accounts na pinapakita ko talaga sa inyo. This one is this is already public right here pero hindi ko sinishare dito ang amount na nasa loob ng portfolio ko. I don't want to. But I already created an account for everyone na para makita ninyo yung performance niya if nakisabay kayo sa akin, especially if ever nagsimula kayo sa around $500. Let me just log in my account. And here it is. Let's go to my portfolio. This is Izanagi right here. 17.41% already in this account, right? This started August 22. Right? I put in $500 and yung amount niya ngayon is $630 na. If I decide to stop the trade already, I can withdraw my funds. I've already gained 17% in just August, September, October. Just 2 months. 17% is crazy. right? Pang-scam na yung mga numero na yan, but it's not scam. Why? Drawdown. We've been very transparent to you with the drawdown. Etong yellow na ito, yung yellow na linya, yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na equity ninyo, laman na pera. At a certain point, bumaba yung pera ko to negative 20%, right? From 7.5% gains, bumaba yung pera ko ng negative 20.33, right? But with the settings that we have, when the positions recover, lumilipad yan. And you see spikes whenever the yellow and red one meets. That's when it reached 15.97. And now it's at 17.41% in 2 months. Drawdown. Risk is also involved right here. But we use the risk, the drawdown, to our advantage. Nakalimutan ko sa strategy ng trade nito eh. Pero it's not for the faint of hearts. Ito yung parang average down. Let's see if ever the system, I'll tell you a secret. Ganito po yung trading system niya na. Ang kagandahan sa Forex is, meron po yung pattern talaga. Right? Let's say for example, alam nyo yung pattern ng US dollars at peso. Saan laging pinakamababa kung umarangkada man piso hanggang saan bumababa ang dollar. 48, pinakamababa na yung 46 pesos. Pag 48 pesos and meron na tayong makikita ng mga buy signals, yung bot natin bumibili na. Right? In case na mali, babagsak pa yung presyo, hindi niya isa stop loss. That is where the drawdown comes in. Kaya nakikita nyo hanggang 40%, hanggang 50% yung drawdown. Hanggang mag 46 pesos, magbabay yan. The moment that it buys at 46 and then marami na siyang hawak na position, the moment the market goes up already and recovers at nag-bottom na talaga, your position is gonna boom. And that's the reason why you see these spikes right here. Let me share my screen. Let me just zoom in. Right. Kita nyo to. I wanna zoom in at this area. Pag bumabagsak, and then pag lumilipad na yung position, nagsispike up yung pula. This is on right here from 98% yung position ko. From 105% yung equity ko, bumagsak to 27%. That's crazy drop right there. From 100% to 27%. That's a lot of losses. But when the positions recovered, look at this spike right here. From 111%, grew up 150%. That's 40%, diba? Na climb. And that is where we use the drawdown. Nakita nyo po ito, nagsispike down right here. But when it meets, when yellow position goes up, nagsispike yung gains from 163 to 169. Right? This is a trading strategy that's being used by many. Right? Ito, nakita nyo, pag umaakit yung position natin, nagsispike up yung red. Right? So, baka nag-nosebleed pa yung iba. But this is where the last climb happened. Right? From this one right here, amazing. Tingnan nyo to ha. 192% yung equity natin. Bumaba to 112. Almost lost 100%. But when it came back up, from 202%, naging 214. That's 15% climb already in that position. So, this trading system really uses drawdown. Okay? So, set nyo lang. 25% kung kaya ninyo. 50%. This one right here is set at 25%. Pinakamababang inabot niya 28%. But it's already up 17%. Yung isang settings ko, ito, hindi ko pinapublic ang laman ng pera nito. This is my micro Izanagi account. This is already up 55%. Wala lang amount dyan. Hindi ko pinapakita ang balance. Those are my private things kasi. But yeah, this is already up 55%. Remind you, this is verified track record. I made sure that this is public po para sa inyo. You can visit these links. This is public. Makikita nyo po yan. And these are verified. 55%, July po ito nag-start. This is high risk right here. July, August, September, October. 3 months, 55%. Right? So, start here. Right? Start kayo sa mga ganito. Sir Lord, good evening. What's your thoughts about selling all stock positions to purchase a real estate investment? Is it wise decision ba? This is a very good question, actually. All right. I'm also into real estate investing, di ba? I'm not really sure about that move, right? It can be right? Pwede naman tama yan. If ever sobrang sulit nung property na bibilin nyo, I would say that's good, right? If it's a way for you na hindi nyo kailangan umutang, real estate investment is good as long as hindi nyo uutangin. Okay? That's my rule. Go to real estate as long as hindi nyo uutangin. That way, you are more efficient with your money. Salespeople, sales agent sa real estate tell you, no offense to you guys, I know you're making a living. But this is me being honest with you guys as a financial advisor na from the heart, right? When sales people tell you na, kaya nyo yan, this is the investment right here, at yung tubo, this is your possible income, kahit na utangin nyo ito, and monthly nyo, ganito, ganyan. Actually, that's the wrong way to get into real estate investing. There is a way to get into real estate investing without na hindi nyo kailangan umutang. Sir Lloyd, wala pa akong pera. Paano kung ba makakabili ng isang condominium? 2 million, 3 million. Wala pa akong pera. There is REITs, right? REITs. Search about REITs, right? There is a way for you to diversify into real estate na hindi nyo kailangan umutang. The dividends of REITs, para ka na rin nasa real estate na wala yung sakit sa ulo, hindi nyo kailangan maghanap ng magre-renta, repairs, etc. Dividends na kaagad, plus bonus pa yung umaakit na pera. That's why I discuss about REITs all the time, right? But if ever maganda yung property, going back to the question of Carl Nico, okay ba na ibenta ko yung mga positions ko sa stock market para ibili ng real estate? Is your stock market position already earning? Is it about time na ibenta na, take profits na? And then you move the money to real estate. I would say that's a good move, right? That's a good move right there, I would say. Right? Okay lang yung move na yan. It can be right. It can only be wrong kung mahal ang property. Actually, maganda yung bumili ng properties ngayon di ba? Nagbabagsakan yung presyo ng mga properties because of COVID. Marami nagbebenta. So, I would say it is mas marami pang details. I would love to know more about the details to really be sure if it's a good move or not. But generally speaking, I would say that's a good move. Laura Napa is asking about AEV. Let's go back to charting AEV. Right, AEV supports right here, going sideways. I'm not a fan of the position right now. If makapunta kayo sa support, dyan yung pasukin and then sell dito sa resistance. Stock said, Angelo Bueno, pa-shout out. Angelo Bueno, shout out to you, man. Right. Sige, panoorin ko. Thank you for Rogin. You're welcome, man. Angelo Bueno, good friend of mine here in Cebu. Magandang gabi. Jason Ignacio, how to open, sir? I'm not really sure what you mean. Ano yung i-open ninyo? Is it an account in trading? Look for a broker. Marami tayong broker dyan. Call Financial, 2Trade Asia, First Metrosec. That's from Metrobank. If may Metrobank na kayong account, madali lang yung First Metrosec. So, if you wanna buy stocks in the Philippine Stock Exchange, look for a brokerage. Pwede nyo naman i-google Philippine Brokerage. Right? Jimson, happy evening. Jericho Malabiga, nag-PM ako, sir. Kahapon wala pa reply. Jericho Malabiga, saan kayo nag-PM sa akin? Let me just check, okay? Let me go close up first. Baka dito sa ano ko eh. Did you send me a message request? Wala naman. Let me open my messenger. Jericho Malabiga. Wala naman. Is it in financial freedom? I'm just gonna check this out. Kasi I'm pretty sure I answer most of the people who are sending me a message. So, right. Jericho. One moment. Wala eh. Is it in bot trading page? So baka sa bot trading page kayo nag-message. Jericho Malabiga. Yeah, sa bot trading page. Yeah, hindi pa nasasagot yung kahapon. Kasi kakagaling lang ng secretary ko actually. So yeah, I'll respond to this tonight. Cost averaging, sir. Earl Ginto. Nancy Visa Catilo, sir, pa-check ng M-Wide. Thanks. Let's check out M-Wide. Right, Mega Wide. Si M-Wide nasa support. Medyo tagilid si M-Wide because of the cases that's happening. But yeah, it's been respecting the support right here. I will not go aggressive on this, right? Kung mag-bounce sa support and good, I will wait for a confirmation lang muna before we wanna stack up on M-Wide once again because may kaso si M-Wide eh. Paul Lementera, kamusta man? EEI po. Let's check out EEI. EI Corporation. Okay na. Mukhang nagbo-bottom na. We're already seeing spikes on the volume. Net income second quarter is good. I would say this is a good trade right here, man. Ito yung support natin, 626. Trade that, bad boy right there. Good find, galing. I love that trade. AG Suarez, sir, yung Izanagi ba, need mo i-close para realize gain yung portfolio? Nope. Izanagi is a set up and forget bot dapat. So, hindi nyo na kailangan i-close yung mga gains. Si Izanagi na bahala dyan. Sir, magsasuggest po ba si Izanagi admin if how much should my initial investment if I choose 25% for drawdown? Actually, hindi po eh. Nasa video na kasi yan. If ever you check the video about Izanagi's video description, we gave you example of backtesting. Magkano yung kikitain nyo in the past 5 years kung ito yung settings ninyo, ganito, ganyan. So, it is there already. So, you should know. Please watch that video para malaman ninyo. Right. Alan Washalan, Holcim Convergence, sir. Let's check out Holcim. HLCM. Holcim, pumupula pa. Downtrend, man. It's still going down. 8:33 na. Ang bilis ng oras, ha. Holcim Converge. Converge din. Downtrend to eh. Galing tuktok kasi to. So, Converge. Good bounce rest right there. Dalawang green tayo of Converge. Hopefully, this has bottomed out already. But, di natin alam pa. Right? We'll know for sure in the future if ever gumawa na support. Don't worry. Downtrend pa naman yan. Hindi pa naman yan lilipad ka agad. Jericho Malabiga. Yeah, sorry. Rian Bendia, sir, I bought Monday at IPO price and now talagang malakas ang selling pressure. Should I sell or wait for the bounce po? Ay, dapat binenta nyo na yun. Sell, this gap down right here is a very strong sell signal already for Monday dapat. Okay, dapat binenta nyo na noon dito pa. For now, laki na nawala eh. Right? If ever you sold it right there. A little lesson from my end. Do not fall in love with your assets. Right? If ever binili nyo to IPO, look at this IPO price right here. If it went up right there, that's 53% gains already for you. That's already a jackpot right there. That's very big gains in just how many months. Ngayon, you're now down 14%, ang laki na nawala sa inyo. Monday's a good company. I would say, hold it na lang and then you just buy more on the bottoms since it's a company that's doing well. Dapat noon pa nyo pa nabenta. Daniel, Sierra, good evening sir. Ask ko lang insights nyo on mRNA, J&J, PFE. Let's go international. mRNA. Moderna. Divergence tayo ah. Mukhang may support tayo dito. So, this is where the buying is starting. So, that's where you start your buying. Nagpumupula naman siya ngayon. So, binigahin nyo na for Moderna. After this one, I'm gonna go to YouTube. May nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. Hindi ko pa nababasa yung comments. Ask ko lang insights nyo. Moderna, J&J, Johnson's & Johnson's. Ooh, galing. Hopefully you found this right here. This is a gem right here. Divergence, I've been teaching you almost every day about this technical analysis. Divergence right there for J&J. If ever you caught that one, you should have caught this bad boy right here. Susunod, if ever hindi nasakyan, pull back and bounce is gonna be your next best entry for J&J. PFE, Pfizer, PFE, Pfizer Incorporated. Okay. Oh, okay na. That's a buy. That's a buy. Cut loss below that lang, just in case na mali kayo. But yeah, it is showing good signals already. I'm gonna go to YouTube. Magandang gabi sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. I'm gonna be reading your comments now. Vincent Pascual, good evening. Ian Cesar, Villarreal. Magandang gabi. Aurora, Sir Nickel, MM, and dito po, Pasilip. We covered dito already. Nickel. Si Nickel. Ang hirap ng ano ni Nickel eh. Ang hirap ng mga signals ni Nickel. The best you can do for Nickel, uptrend line right here. That's gonna be your entry point for Nickel. MM. Right, Merrimart. We already called Merrimart. Sabi ko sa inyo, pag na-green yan, that's gonna be your buy already. It is starting to go up already. Dalawang green na nga. So, hopefully, nasakay nyo na. Sabi ko sa inyo, ito na yung support. Pero do not expect for it to drop right there. So, pag may nakita yung bounce, pasukin nyo na. So, hopefully, napasok nyo sa Merrimart. Bodega nyo na yan. Next, moving forward, ubus agad ang boses ko ah. Kulha lang akong tubig guys ah. Alright, I just want to go to this comment. Sabi ni Dayan, ayan, nakikita nyo sa comments kanina. Sir, let me just drag this down. Ayan, Dayan. Sir PHA, please, nag-cut loss ako 1 week ago pero kanina biglang nag-gap up. If you followed your trading plan na sa support, mag-cut loss kayo and nag-cut loss talaga kayo, tapos biglang nag-gap up, huwag kayo magsisisi. You followed your trading plan and that's good, right? Just move on to different trade na lang, if ever, right? Kasi minsan ang iba, ay, ayoko na mag-cut loss kasi baka mag-gap up, right? That is gonna mess with your trading plan. If you cut loss, there's no looking back. You did the right thing. Kung umakyat man yan, okay. Kasi, yes, pwede siyang umakyat. But the big question is, I mean, the flip side of the coin is, pwede rin siyang bumaba pababa. Right? So, if you if your cut loss was hit and you followed your trading strategy that's been working for you, then you did the right thing. Huwag nyo nang isipin yan. Okay? Moving forward. Aurora, ang laki talaga ng respeto ko. Saludo ako sa iyo, Sir Lloyd. Thank you so much sa iyo sa daily grind. Ako nag-umpisa at natuto. Thanks talaga sa iyo, Sir Lloyd. Right? These kinds of messages, that's why we're grinding, right? Ang ganda ng feeling na may natutuluan, may Bisaya kasi, may natutulungan tayo when it comes to their investing journey, right? Hopefully, marami pa tayong matutunan. Walang gaanong audience ang daily grind. Maliit lang ang audience ng daily grind because yung audience natin come and go. It's not about entertainment kasi. Ang atin dito, tuturuan natin yung mga newbies. Once they already know how to trade, they move on na. And may mga bagong set waves of newbies na naman. At napaka-konti lang ng mga newbies na Pinoy sa stock market. Konti lang Pinoy nagkaka-interest sa investing kasi. Right? So, really fulfilling for me to hear that. Right? Just TV, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Late na ako. Pwede po ba ma-check si Dito? Wilcon, thank you. Si Dito, budegahin nyo na. Pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be your buy point for Dito. Wilcon, tingnan natin si Wilcon. Wilcon Depot. Suma-sideways si Wilcon pero sobrang taas na. I don't really like the position of Wilcon right now. I wanted to... Ito na yung dip. Ang ganda na ng dip eh. Short-term trade. Short-term trade meaning wag nyo na pong patagalin. Gusto nyo i-trade ito, Wilcon has been doing well. Mukhang tapos na yung uptrend niya eh. So, medyo weak na yung climb niya. So, there's a very big chance for this to drop. That's the reason why I don't want to trade this. Pero, pwede pa siya naman siya umakyat. There's that sense na maganda pa rin naman si Wilcon overall. So, if you want to trade this one out, use the support. But overall, my call for this is do not trade this. Masyadong risky pa yan. Masyadong mataas. Right? I'm not that kind of trader. I'm a trader kasi na position trader. Napapansin nyo lagi yung nasa baba yung mga gusto ko. Right? Aurora, sana meron kang face-to-face na seminar about trading sa January 2022. Malapit na sinulog celebration. O nga no? I don't think makakaroon pa ng sinulog sa Cebu this next year. Right? I'm not really sure kasi COVID's still risky. Tell you honestly, isang buong barangay katabi namin dito is hindi pa karamihan is hindi pa nagpapavaccine. There's a construction happening right beside our house. I mean, there's a construction in our house and I talk to people, yung mga manggagawa namin. Walang nagpapavaccine sa kanila kasi medyo old school beliefs pa rin. So, it's still gonna be very risky. Okay? Hopefully, next year, magsimula na ulit yung face-to-face natin ng mga seminars. Right, Rock Green, good evening, Sir Lloyd. PHA and MRC po. Salamat. Let's check out PHA. We covered PHA already kanina. Right. Let it pull back and bounce. That's gonna be your next catch for PHA. Asan pa? PHA. Next kay PHA is... Asan na yun? MRC. Ayan, MRC. Wala ako. Right, I called MRC right here, guys. Right, dapat binili nyo na to. Right, on this support. That's still a buy right here for MRC. That's still good to go. Right, congratulations. Someone asked me about MRC. Dito pa lang, ng mga doji pa na yan. That was already a buy. Congratulations sa pumasok kay MRC. Dice, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening, everyone. Sir Lloyd, your thoughts on tech. Kahapon, I called out tech. Sabi ko sa inyo, bilhin nyo na yan. 7.16% gains today. Congratulations. Good for long term? No. I not into long term for tech. Okay? Pero pwede pa rin na may trade. Ryan Rahon, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Was able to sell some of my DMC shares around 9.2, 30%-ish up gain. Thank you so much for your inputs. Want to ask if I should wait for bounce MA20 or buy lower. Ganito yan ha. Whenever you, let me open DMC. Whenever you buy some more sa MA20, use that as your support. The moment you buy more, that will be your support for all your position. If in case that support fails, then sell everything already so that you can exit still at a good price, right? Pero for me, take profits na to, sobrang mahal na DMC. I don't like that kind of trade. Marami mo namang may trade pa sa baba na mas maganda kasi we've reached overbought levels already for DMC. Not a fan of the position anymore. Ryan Rahon, interested in DMC's dividends po kasi I see. So for dividends pala. If it's our dividends play, man, the dips are gonna be your buying, right? If it dips right here, buy. Then if it falls down and dips some more, you just buy some more if you're after the dividends. Batong Fuentes, good PM, CHIB. Let's check out China Bank. China Banking Corporation. Oh, ganda. Right, we called China Bank on the support right here. That was a buy. Pullback, MA20 bounces. MA20, if makapasok kayo sa MA20, that's the best entry point. Good, the same. Mayong gabi dia, sir, diri di ay kas sa lugar nga lami ang bibingka, silingan rata dool sa Pacific Mall ako. Oh, amazing. Ako is, dito ako sa Cambaro. Right, Cambaro, Mandaue, sa may UV. Right? Small Kids Blanco. Sir, Home, ABA, and LHC. Let's check out All Home. All Home MA20, as if that MA20 holds, then that's gonna be buy. Pero in konting ingat, guys. Umabot na tayo sa too late buys. I don't like those kind of trades. For momentum trade, MA20 yung entry nyo. Cut loss below that. ABA naman, si ABA, medyo mix yung signals kay ABA, kaya medyo hirap ako sa trade kay ABA. Breakout na lang, mas clear yun. Let it break out before you wanna get in. LHC, 8:45, time check natin. LHC broke MA20 already. Stay away from it. Ryan Rahon, thank you so much, Sir Lloyd. You're welcome. Ian Villarreal, Sir Lloyd, ask ko lang po, di ba sabi mo don't fall in love with your stocks? Paano po yung mga long term, sir? Thanks. Yan. Don't fall in love with your stock means take profits, right? For long term naman, as long as okay yung position, I am for long term on stocks, but I still take profits. It's just much more efficient that way, okay? Kung gusto niyo kasi na long term lang to sa pabayaan niyo lang, punta na lang kayo sa mga mga ETFs o mga ganon. So, as much as possible, do not fall in love with the stocks like Jollibee. Nung umabot ng 300 pesos sa Jollibee, I took profits, and then nung nag-dip, I'm still long term. Let's say for example, pag benta ko kay Jollibee sa 300, I earned 100k. I'm gonna be holding that 100k and buy more Jollibee once it drops. And then go for long term once again kay Jollibee at around 80 pesos. Bumili tayo noon. We even called it a buy. That's what I do for my long term. It's more efficient that way. Don't fall in love means take profits and then just buy some more in the future when it dips. Okay? Nico, good PM, Sir Coach. Good PM, Coach. Pacheck po. Zoom and PayPal. Thanks. Si Zoom naman, ZM. Right, Zoom, we called it a buy right here, and there it is. It's already flying, my dear friends. Pull back and bounce. Abangan yung susunod na pula and susunod na green before you wanna get in. PayPal, PYPL ba yun? Ano ba yung code ni PayPal? Yan, PYPL. PayPal, also, alala, ganda na support doon. Right, Divergence, my friends, that's the buy signal right there. Next pullback and bounce is a buy already. Let me go back to Facebook. Ayan, maraming comments. Right. Diane Lacuesta, Sir PHA please ng katlo, nabasa na natin to. Mitzi Advincula. Sir Lloyd, what's your take on Hood and VZ? Right, let's check out Hood. Verizon si, diba? Si VZ. Robinhood is kind of, ganda ah. That's support right there. If you wanna trade this one out, this is good. Excuse me. Got lost below that support for Hood, but this is a good find right there. VZ, Verizon. Engulfing pattern, pullback bounce. Right, hopefully makakuha tayo ng magandang support kay Verizon. Right, dyan yung pasukin. Yun yung pinakamaganda. Mitzi Gonzalez, you're welcome. ADS.de po, Sir Lloyd. What's the name of the company? Hindi kasi lumalabas dito yung Hindi kasi lumalabas dito sa Instagrams yung mga may dot na mga assets. Gigi Miares, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Please check Affirm sa US market. Let's check out Affirm. Affirm Holdings, right? Medyo mataas na. Reaching, these are bearish signals, by the way, so I will not recommend that anymore. Nakalipad na yan. Teddy Santos, good evening, Ever po. Let's check out Ever Gotesco. Right, Ever Gotesco, I think it has finished this downtrend already, right? Pullback, susunod na bounce, that's gonna be the buy for Ever. Good find, galing. Moving forward, when do you usually buy po? Sa first half of trading day or end of the day? Actually, I just buy right away. Right? Hindi ako nagbabay sa amateur hours, like the first hour of the market. Bumibili ka agad ako. Ayoko sakit ng ulo. Pag meron kasi advantages and disadvantages on both. I'm a position trader. As long as the position is good, I'm just gonna be buying right away. Alright? I don't go through the headache na ganun. Alright? Pwede namang ganun kasi if ever mas meticulous kayo sa trade at mas natututukan yung market. Pwedeng end of the market. It has its advantages, it has its disadvantages kasi pag hindi pag end of the day mo pabilin, what if nakalipad na in the middle of the day? So that's bad, right? Pero may advantage na naman end of the day. So it really boils down to preferences. Alright, Chard Fernandez, pasili po LTG, EW. Si LTG, sideways trend, hopefully makabali tayo sa support. May resistance tayo malapit so I will stay away from that. EW, east to west, pullbacks, right? This is a good pullback right here. Kaso nga lang pumula ka agad kanina. Tingnan natin sa MA20 if ever mag-sustain. Sa kanya pasukin. Irene Suzuki, good evening, sir. Natakol na po ba ang AP, Ayala, Aboitiz Power Corporation? Medyo mataas na. Stay away from it. Ganda ng call natin dito dati. Adidas po, Sir Lloyd. Ano nga ba yung code ng Adidas? I-search ko na lang. Adidas AG. ADD, I'm not really sure. Alright, I'm not really sure what's the code for Adidas. Adidas AG, right? Adidas AG, right? Ooh. Downtrend pa, I'm not really sure what caused the downtrend right here. There is a gap up right here at this level. So that could be something. May magandang volume na naman on this gap up diba? It's creating a resistance right here. At least man lang kung mag-breakout. Kung mag-breakout yung MA20, you can use MA20 as your support na lang for Adidas. Right? Reminders. Right? Reminders lang. Bot trading. Right? Sa mga kakapanood pa lang, Izanagi, this bot trading account, naka 50% po itong setting na ito na drawdown, meaning bumabagsak ng 50%. Look at these drops right here. Pero that's how this bot trades. Huwag kayong mag-alala sa mga ganyan. This is automated trading. Already earned me 218% for the past 10 months. Disclaimer lang, previous performance does not really predict future performance. Doesn't mean na next 10 months magto 200% ulit siya. Right? So, just start, right? Sayang kasi, this bot is for free. Wala pong bayad ito. Ang babayaran nyo lang dito is the VPS, right? The bot service itself is free, pero yung computer na magta-trade para sa inyo, right? Meron kasi, instead na kayo mag-on ng PC nyo ng 24/7, yung server na lang natin, babayaran natin, hati-hati, that's 500 pesos a month lang, dun natin iti-trade ang account ninyo. Right? Izanagi is for free. Check it out. Sa mga interested dyan, makipag-partner sa akin sa Axie Infinity. Right? If you wanna diversify into NFTs pero ayaw yung sakit ng ulo, let me know. Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. I can give you my proposal para po sa partnership natin so that we can help people, right? We are earning right here and then meron tayong nabibigyan na tao ng trabaho dito, right? So, it's a win-win. I love these kinds of causes because I'm a believer of good karma. Pag nagbibigay tayo ng trabaho or we give something out to people, the universe will bless you in so many ways. So Axie is one. That's why I love Axie right now because maganda para sa investors, maganda rin sa mga binibigyan natin ng trabaho. So if you want to partner up, send me a message. That's how we became successful, by giving out to people. Right, so I guess we're able to run through all the comments already. Sir, VPS every month. Yes, every month po yung VPS. Zoom PayPal, we're already done with that. Angelo Bueno, is Izanagi bot trader for Forex or stocks, Sir Lloyd? That is for Forex po. Forex po ang tinitrade ni Izanagi. Right? If you have any further questions kay bot, pwede kay Financial Freedom 101 nyo i-send or dun sa bot page talaga mismo natin. Make sure you follow that already. That's it for me, right? It's already 8:54. Tamang-tama yung oras natin. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be able to go live tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna be doing my best. Ang gagawin kasi natin bukas is I'm gonna be magti-team building ako sa mga scholars natin. Lahat ng mga to, I'm gonna be meeting them tomorrow, tsaka team building na din. At the same time, we're going to make the environment here I'm gonna be treating them sa isang outing, right? That's gonna be coming out from my pockets. But I'm gonna be meeting them, motivate them, motivate the players, send out some rules and regulations. We're gonna be working this out properly. So, yeah, baka matagalan at hindi ako makapag-daily grind bukas, baka mapagod. But I'll do my best in the evening to go daily grind. So, nag-heads up lang ako. How to open bot? Andyan po sa video description, may registration link po dyan. Just click it, right? Andun na yung lahat ng instructions on the registration. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you tomorrow. Please enjoy the rest of the evening. As always, this is Lloyd Bazar saying, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.
Oh